Hello everyone, Mac Pierre-Louis here, attorney at law and mediator from Houston, Texas.
And Natalia Łowska-Czajka, advocate and mediator, Warsaw, Poland.
So in today's video, we wanted to talk about some tips for before you relocate your child out of your country.
It might seem that it is just your personal decision where you live with your child, but apparently it is not. And it is a very serious legal issue that if you need to consider, you have to involve in the decision-making process a lawyer that can advise you on this particular issue.
Yeah, so speaking of knowing a lawyer, one of the reasons might be so you can get a good grounding and understanding in the international treaties that involve child abduction, namely the Hague Convention on International Child Abduction. This international law covers lots of issues and rules involving kids and how they're taken from one country to another.
As it is not your own decision, think about how this decision of relocating the child involves the other parent. Please know that most probably you will require the consent of the other parent. Please also consider how that such a visitation scheme may look like in the future if you live in another country with the child. There might come the problems of visa, of possible immigration, also of the other parent.
So what you need to do is to try to make plans with the other parent by maybe going to a mediation or having a sit down with that parent, talking to a group therapist if there's conflict between you and the other parent. But it's best if the two parents come together to discuss issues of visitation, possession, and support over the child before the child is relocated to another country, instead of letting some kind of lawsuit come down later where a court tries to bring the child back to the home country. So we hope these tips were helpful.
Thank you very much, and please see our next series, especially on tips for mediation.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.